Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb base and make a turn anti-clockwise. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry open the light bulb locking clips. The bulb should come out easily by pulling on it and making small forward and back movements. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the base. Then insert everything into the lights and turn it 1/4 turn to the right. To change the H7 full beam bulb, remove the closing cap on the grille side. Take the plastic base and remove it by making small movements back and forward. Remove the bulb from the connector by pulling on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Finally, put pressure on the bulb to block it in place. Put the rubber cover back on.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
To change the H7 dipped beam bulbs, remove the cover on the car body side. Take the plastic base and remove it by making small movements back and forward. To undo the bulb, you must move it towards the outside of the clips on holding stud. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. Position the bulb in its housing, then push the hooks down. And finish by locking it into the holding studs. Reconnect the electric connector. Put the rubber cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.